Unified access, trusted safety, the Mufareh ecosystem advantage. Please pay close attention as to why he and his technology teams have built this as the foundation of his new company. Single sign-on (SSO) simplifies user experience by allowing one set of credentials to access an entire suite of services, removing password fatigue and streamlining onboarding. With SSO, users enjoy faster access and consistent personalization across platforms, which increases engagement and reduces drop-off. Centralized authentication also enables stronger, uniform security controls that protect accounts more effectively than fragmented login systems. Bringing every niche under one umbrella means users can move seamlessly between tools, whether shopping, learning, or managing finances, without leaving the ecosystem. This integrated approach enables richer, data-driven experiences, consolidated billing, and coherent support that make day-to-day interactions more convenient and reliable. A single account profile builds continuity and context, letting services learn preferences and deliver more relevant, valuable outcomes. Keeping user safety is paramount. It requires robust technical and organizational measures, starting with encryption in transit and at rest, and enforced multi-factor authentication across the ecosystem. Centralized logging, anomaly detection, and least privilege access controls make it easier to spot and respond to threats quickly while maintaining compliance with regulatory standards. Regular security audits, transparent privacy policies, and user controls for data sharing reinforce trust and give users confidence that their information is handled responsibly. The combined power of SSO and a unified, multi-niche platform drives long-term value for users and partners by reducing friction and enabling richer collaborations. For businesses, it creates opportunities for cross-service innovation, streamlined integrations, and scalable growth within a single system of rules, practices, and processes by which a company is directed and controlled. By prioritizing seamless access and rigorous safety, the Mufareh ecosystem positions itself as a trusted hub where convenience and protection go hand in hand. Mr. Mufareh and his technology teams are transcendent,